ICAR and India Association of Hill Farming Luwajijakma by Chengjakha Salnwi International Conference Panda Chati Kwthar Mwswngwi Panda Chengsawi Rwkha Mantri Animesh Debbarma Sangrong Salo Raja Khorang ni Progna Bhavana Chengjakha Salnwi Panda Abni Aglono Panda Kok Sanani Thangwe Mantri Animesh Debbarma Shaka Chamung Kari Hanke 10-15 days hai kathang tongoi malo fiaba oxygen kari henke 10 minute fano kathang tongoi mangla khanai abani bagai buphang busa kainani nango hani shaka Mantri Animesh Debbarma.
Without bamboo soup we can't think of our dishes, so why don't you bring up good varieties of bamboo soup? Radhi Babu, আপনারা যেমন আমটাম তৈরি করেছেন, one mango I saw it is bigger than Dr. Rajiv Ghosh. It was standing there. Eto boro am ki koro. These are all hybrid mango. But is it good for health? That also to be seen. Papaya, I used to like papaya like anything. In my childhood, we used to have papaya. Those papayas इतना मीठा होता, वो खाने के बाद और कुछ खाने का मन नहीं करता. अभी जो पापाया दिया जाता है इसका कोई टेस्ट ही नहीं लगता, तो पापाया पानी का जैसा है. सो एट द टेस्ट क्या मनोज जी खूब सा आनंद ले रहा है. सर जो बोल रहा है ठीक बोल रहा है, तो ऑल्सो इंड्यूस द टेस्ट एंड दैट वुड बी रियल चैलेंज फॉर द साइंटिस्ट. सो नॉट ओनली ब्रिंगिंग न्यू breeds, varieties, but also the real tasty breed will be useful for us. So I really think I have seen that list. People have come from Mexico. Dr. Devashish Chakraborty, I think somewhere he must be sitting. If I can see him, that Dr. Devashish Chakraborty, yeah, thank you so much. He came from Mexico. From United Kingdom also, Changjakha Rajkumari came from United Kingdom, and from Sri Lanka, Chini De Silva. I think she is really from Sri Lanka. Is she here? Okay, she will not come here, right? Then Tapas Chakraborty ji is also here, representing from Japan. Okay, online. Then what about Jivan Kumar Chati? So this international conference, within bracket, virtual also you should have written it, because virtually they will be participating in the conference. क्या मनोज जी लिखना चाहिए, semi-virtual international conference on these. So very nice. And then I am especially pleased to see the participation of KVK. मनोज जी तो है ही इधर. हर जगह जहाँ कृषि का बात होता है मनोज जी दिखाई देता है.
Ashlo Mantri Animesh Debbarma kare Manjakha Kakara Boni MLA Sitendra Mwswngwi Head of Center ICAR Tripura Director BU Chaudhary no Khobite Kubana Dongrok Raja Khorang ni Chimi pronam ni Kokthum Chini Khorang.